Leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication